chef just like that overnight, honey. I know I always tell y'all that I can't cook, but guess what, honey? Your girl been throwing down. Look at this, honey. You got that Atlantic marinated salmon, that seafood mac, and that asparagus. Okay, so we're gonna do things a little different today. So here are all the things you need, right? So listen, let me show you. Just throw that butter up in the skillet, rub it all around real good. Make sure you hit them corners up. Oh, add a little olive oil in that thing, okay? Because you want to make sure that you get a lot of juice up in that salmon. Yes, honey, I got the macaroni boiling already, getting ready to go. Let's go ahead and put that salmon in the skillet. Oh, I'm having a little trouble here. The struggle is real, honey. Yes, but that's okay. All right, place it down. Oh, is that my spoon? Wait. Sorry, y'all. Okay, let me put these lemons on here because we gotta make it look all fancy, right? Let me see. Should I put another one? What you think? Yeah, let's go ahead and put another one on that joint. Yes, honey. Get over there in that butter and that oil like that, and let that marinate and simmer, honey. And while that's simmering, of course, you know you want to sprinkle a little juice on top of it. And then let's go over here and check on the macaroni. Yes, this is boxed macaroni, but that's okay. Okay, I know that butter look like a little bit, but here go a lot. Okay, I really put a lot. Alright, so let's add in a little bit of that evaporated milk, honey, because that evaporated milk, it gives a flavor that is like unique, and it makes all of the juices and everything, the cheese, it just make it pop a little extra. We might as well just go ahead and pour a little more in there, just a little bit. Okay, you know what? Forget it. Let's just go ahead and put the whole can. Period, sis. We like soupy macaroni. Look at that. Yes. Now let's add in some of that finely shredded cheese, honey. This is just some regular cheddar cheese that you get from Walmart, honey. It gets the job done, period. Put you in a little bit of that mozzarella because, like I said, we want it extra cheesy. And why not give it a little kick with some pepper jack cheese? Yes. Look at that. Look. Period. All right. So next, what we're gonna do is just stir it all up because, like I said, we got macaroni soup. Oh, you see that, honey? Yes, you see that. Look at that salmon over there. Yes, honey, get it in. Okay, but anyway, back to stirring it up. Oh, we gotta add that cheese from the box in there too. Y'all know that cheese in the box is what make it really, really fine. So let's squeeze the rest of that in. Yes, honey, squeeze it. Okay, squeeze it like, you know, grab it up from the bottom and squeeze it all the way down to the top. Or the top to the bottom, whichever way you prefer. Okay, you get it. Just squeeze it all in there, okay? We gotta make sure we get all the cheese in there. Cheesy, cheesy, please. Okay, stir it all up, and this is what you got. Macaroni soup, yes. Okay, so I put it into 2 separate containers only because my son, he don't like this, so I had to switch it up. All right, so we add all our ingredients in. Wait a minute, stop. Okay, so I forgot that I needed to pre-boil the shrimp, so we're gonna take those babies back out. And we just gonna throw them over in the skillet real quick with that salmon and let it get a nice little buttery hint or tint to it, should I say. So then we can add it into the macaroni, okay? All right, so let's just put them in there. All right, and let them simmer for a while. Then go ahead and put the rest of the lump crab in there, and there you have it, voila. Okay, so now I put everything into a large pan so that I can put it into the oven, okay? And of course you gotta put more cheese on top, and why not put the extra seasons on top, honey? Yes, because it is a seafood macaroni, right? Yes, honey, look, get in there, okay? Get in there. Look at those spices. Look at that season. Okay, listen, I got a couple of little asparagus sticks that I'm gonna put together real quick. Yes, honey, season them up real good. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Look at that fancy ground pepper I got. Peppercorn pepper, baby, please, okay? All right, put a little Parmesan on that joint. Yes, for the added flavor. We like cheese on everything. So now here you have the finished product. Look at that. Yes, it looks like some Mexican corn on it, but I promise it's not. Look at that salmon. Yes, honey, it is glazed to perfection. And look at the asparagus, baby. We getting it in, period. Ow, finished result. Here's my plate, honey. Yes, look, stop licking my screen. Goodness. Oh, I know, right? Yes, yes, so freaking good. I know. You're welcome, honey. Of course I'm sharing. Yes, your plate is ready. There's Salmon's plate, okay? Again, there's my plate. And, of course, I had to make Bay him something, his little favorite, which is just some jambalaya. And my baby girl, me and her, we don't play no games, honey. We eat it all, okay? So, bam, there we go on deck. Yes, honey, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was so fun creating, and I really enjoyed making this little recipe. So, please, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you want to see some more videos like this. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, guys. Talk to you later. Bye, babe. Bye.